curly beauties, welcome to my channel. I am Curly Girl Free. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and check out my Instagram at Curly Girl Free so that you can follow along with me on my curl journey. Today I am going to be doing a review and I have video of how I washed and styled my hair using Treluxe. If you haven't heard about Treluxe, you're missing out. Treluxe is a plant-based brand that is curly girl friendly. What do I mean by curly girl friendly? Well, I mean that these products do not contain any silicones, parabens, or sulfates, which is all the products that we do not need on our curly hair. Natural ingredients are very, very important to me during my curly girl journey because I want my curls to grow and flourish. And what I've noticed since I started my natural hair journey about 2.5 years ago was that sticking away from products that contain silicones, parabens, or sulfates actually helped my hair to grow faster, helps my hair to become stronger, and definitely made my curls bounce back. I was transitioning for about 1.5 years before I decided to do the big chop 8 months ago. I can't believe it's been 8 months. But one thing that I did learn during my transitioning to natural was keep a good eye on all of the products that I'm using by just reading the back of the label. Very important. This helped me to stick away from products that contain parabens, silicones, or sulfates. Some of the brands will have it listed here in the front. Some of them won't. So you just gotta really read the back of the label to know what you're putting in your hair. The thing that I do love about Treluxe, again, as I mentioned, they are curly girl approved, so I don't have to worry about any of those harsh ingredients in there. This stuff is amazing. So I'm gonna put my glasses on so that I can read some of the great ingredients and the descriptions on what these products do and how they worked for my hair. All right, let's get down to business. So the first product that I'm going to talk to you about is their Curl Renew and Restore. This is their gentle cleansing rinse. This, and I'm not just saying this because I'm making this video, is legit the best cleanser I have ever used since I started my curl journey. Reason being, this has so much slip and is so conditioning in your hair while it's cleansing your hair that you can literally detangle with the cleanser. What? Detangle with the cleanser? Yes, you can detangle with this cleanser. It literally says right there that it gently cleanses, detangles, and replenishes moisture for healthy, resilient curls. Detangles. It's a cleanser that detangles. I've never heard of that before. Yes, this stuff is life. The key ingredients are coconut milk, slippery elm extract, and the active botanicals are olive squalene, which is an all-natural moisturizer, and then it's got 360 degrees curls complex with tomato extract and amino acids to hydrate and strengthen and define. I absolutely love the fact that this is a plant-based brand. If you are a vegan, this is the brand for you. I mean, I can't believe the amount of slip that I got from this cleanser. It felt so good in my hair. The lather was amazing, which you're gonna see in the video coming up. I mean, this stuff is life. Then I followed up with their Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. This is a leave-in conditioner. You don't need to rinse this out. So after you wash your hair with the Curl Renew and Restore, you can go ahead and go right in on your soaking wet hair with the Untie the Knot Leave-In Conditioner, which also has amazing slip. So by the way, if for some reason you do not have this magical cleanser, you can still just detangle your hair with this. I mean, it's awesome. You will see in the video coming up, when I put this in my hair, I instantly had shine. My curls felt hydrated. It has a cinnamon scent, which I personally am not a fan of cinnamon, but when I applied it to my hair, it wasn't as strong, so I could tolerate that. This stuff, the shine. I mean, my curls feel incredibly hydrated. So this states it detangles, nourishes, and replenishes moisture for lively curls. Duh, that's what it did. The key ingredients are coconut milk, slippery elm extract, broccoli seed oil. So that slip is from that slippery elm extract. The active botanicals in this one is olive squalene, all natural moisturizer, and the 360-degree curl complex with tomato extract, amino acids that hydrate, strengthen, and define. So both of these products have very similar key ingredients and active botanicals, which explains why that slip is so amazing in both of them. After I cleansed my hair and put the leave-in conditioner in, I went in and styled with these two products here, which is their Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream and their High Definition Curl Enhancing Styling Gel. Amazing combo, obviously. So the Curl Supreme, this hydrates, strengthens, protects, and styles. Creates lustrous, moisturized, and defined curls with a soft hold. A little bit went a long way with this. As you can see, it is very thick, which typically creams that I use on my hair are not as thick, so I have to go heavy with it. But since this was thick, I didn't need to use that much of it at all. And it did leave my curls feeling very moisturized. It has a really nice light scent to it. The key ingredients in this is apricot oil, coconut oil, marshmallow root extract. I do like the marshmallow root extract a lot. It works very well on my hair. The active botanicals are 360-degree curls complex with tomato extract and amino acids. So same thing. All this whole line, it looks like, has pretty much similar stuff in it. This did provide a lot of moisture, which I can appreciate. I could probably use just this alone if I wanted to do a twist out or a braid out. Along with the leave-in conditioner, I think I would pair this with that. But for my wash and go, I wanted to use the leave-in, the cream, and the gel because I knew that I would have the maximum hold and the maximum moisture as well. So going into the High Definition Curl Enhancer Styling Gel, this is long-lasting curl definition, luminous shine, and moisture balance. It did not lie. Key ingredients are avocado, honey, and sage extract. The active botanicals in this is the 360 degrees curls complex, color safe curls complex with soybean extract. This has a very runny kind of consistency. It's not super thick, but I'm telling you, a little went a long way. I started off really light as far as how much I put in my hair, and then kind of built up from there. I love how slippery the consistency is. It's kind of almost like a snot consistency, but as soon as I put it in my hair, that slip felt really, really amazing. And it provided me with the best hold, shine, and definition from any product. It's just, this stuff really is life. So I give Treluxe 2 thumbs up. I definitely recommend this product. These products were gifted to me by Treluxe, but as I do my reviews, all of my reviews, this is my honest, 100% honest review. I am in love with this brand. This is the second time that I've actually used this brand. I've got the same results every single time, so I can definitely rely on this brand for a flawless wash day. I love the fact that this brand is a vegan, plant-based brand. That is freaking amazing. And I do love the fact that they use natural ingredients, which are very important to me, especially during this natural hair journey. And since I did the big chop, I am sticking to products that do not contain those sulfates, parabens, or silicones. If you have not tried Treluxe before, you are in luck right now because there is a sale going on. This is the first time that they have done a big sale like this since their Black Friday sale, and it is actually 25% off on their website using the code down below. Make sure you go to my description so you can get that code. Click on the link so that you can go and check out Treluxe for yourself. You will not be disappointed. So without further ado, I am going to go ahead and show you my wash day video using these amazing Treluxe products and show you how I got these results. One more reminder to make sure that you subscribe if you have not already, and go check out my Instagram at CurlyGirlPre so that you can continue to follow me in my curly girl journey. Thank you. Have a great day.